Hey everyone, Movement Drifter here, finally back with another stealth camp, a railway challenge stealth camp for the Stealth Camping Alliance. Should be a good one. There's quite a few people in the park behind me at the moment, so I'm just laying low, might crack a drink and just chill out for a second. I'll give you a little look around now. Down there in those trees is where I plan on setting up my hammock. And that's the field behind me. While I'm waiting for things to quieten down, I might just have my dinner. I just got a butter chicken and got a black cherry seltzer to wash it down. Just eating it off my new spike table. Pretty handy little thing. It's the first time I'm actually using it properly. I've had it had out once with my phone on it just to test it, but yeah. The tape on it is just to make sure it clips in better to the table when it's when you go to stow it away. It looks like the spot has possibly been used before. You tie off to this tree. There's a train going past right now. They should be done by about midnight, I think. Yeah, okay. Pretty hidden in this spot. It's just backyards and a few apartments that could see me, but I think I'll be okay. So for this, I usually just create a loop, thread it through. I use this just to loosen that knot when I'm untying, and then I will just create a half hitch, and that will stop it. I like using the Dutch beaners just because I can clip them like that. I don't have to thread it through, and if I wanted to put it up above like that, I can just unclip it, move it up, clip it back in, kind of thing. Instead of rethreading the whole loop just to get over a branch, makes it a lot easier, and pack up is a lot quicker as well. Tonight I'm also using my Hennessy hammock, which I haven't used on the channel yet, but this is my oldest hammock. I've had this about 7 years now, and it's got a modified suspension. I had whoopee slings on it, and now I've just changed it to continuous loops that I use with the Dyneema webbing. And the same on this side, just create a loop, thread it through. Okay, I'm all set up. Might take half my tarp down just while I'm chilling out before sunsets, but yeah. So the Hennessy usually has elastic that ties the hammock out, but I don't really need that. And I found it was more helpful for the tarp, for quick setups and stuff, so I put the shock cord onto the tarp, and yeah, I've just got it pinned off against the fence and the tree. Alright, I'm all set up. When I go to sleep, I'm going to tighten the hammock a little bit more, but just have it loose when I'm sitting in it. It's a bit more comfortable. Time for step 2 of step 2. Cheers, guys. Yeah, I want to say a big thank you. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who's liked, subscribed and commented on my videos lately. I think my subscriber count's nearly doubled since my last video. Cheers. Yeah, I just want to say a big thanks. The reason I haven't released anything since November is I had a motorbike accident a couple of days after my last stealth camp. Feeling fine now. Broke a couple of bones, but everything's fine. But Christmas came around, was busy through that, and I've just been busy trying to work where I can and stuff like that. But hopefully, should be a lot more videos this year. I'm looking to travel this year. I want to make a big shout out to the Stealth Camping Alliance, especially Paul from Weed in the Bush and Josh from Hidden Hammock. Those guys have been going all out over the last couple of months, and the Stealth Camping Alliance is coming along really well. There's a lot of new people, everyone loves it, it's a great idea. I want to say a big thank you to those guys for everything they've done, and everyone in the Stealth Camping Alliance as well. Sorry, I keep looking around, it's just a few joggers running past here and there. I'm trying to not get caught talking to the camera. It's about 8:20 now. I hope you can see me okay. I got last light at 8:40. I've got my hydrometer with me, which I always take with me, just so, yeah, just shows me the time and the humidity. So, sorry, the temperature and the humidity. It's about 23 degrees Celsius and 75% humidity at the moment. I'm not wearing the jumper because I'm cold. I forgot to bring bug spray, so I'm just trying to keep the mosquitoes off me at the moment. I might jump into my hammock soon. Pretty short one probably for the stealth camping challenge, but it's good to be back. Seems to be pretty much every stealth camp or camp I go on, I seem to find a frog. This one is in a tree. I'll leave him alone. Have a good night, buddy. Morning, everyone. It's about 10 past 6. I think it's about 18 degrees in the hammock. Had a bit of rain last night. Nothing major. Everything's nice. The train stopped running at about midnight and started running again at around 5 AM. So got about 5 hours sleep. Feel good for it. Yeah, just thought I'd show you around my hammock a little bit. The Hennessy hammock. That is the organizer. Just keep all my bits and pieces in there. I generally keep all my bags clipped to the ridgeline, my hat and stuff like that, and I can just push them out of the way. Same kind of thing with my backpack. I just clip that to a line and then I pull that in and put it on this side. when I'm sleeping at night. Usually I'll leave it out if I'm in the bush, but in the city, it's better to be safe. Time to pack up. I was hoping to get some time lapses of the trains, but I don't think they're coming frequently enough at this time in the morning for me to get one, so I might just pack up and head home. Thanks for coming along, guys. Hopefully it won't be too long until the next one.